Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the LG SP7R 7.1 channel soundbar, a high-resolution audio system that comes with a rear speaker kit for true surround sound. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best deal on this amazing sound system. Down pointing finger. Fire, key features and performance. White check mark, 7.1 channel surround sound, delivers immersive, room-filling audio. White check mark. Rear speaker kit included, adds true surround effects for movies and gaming. White check mark, high-resolution audio, 24-bit/96 kHz, crystal clear sound quality. White check mark, DTS Virtual X, creates a 3D sound experience without extra speakers. White check mark, AI Sound Pro, optimizes sound settings based on what you're watching. White check mark, Bluetooth and HDMI ARC/EARC. Wireless and wired connectivity for easy setup. White check mark, powerful subwoofer, delivers deep and punchy bass for an enhanced experience. Musical note, sound experience and performance. The LG SP7R takes home entertainment to the next level with its 7.1 channel setup and dedicated rear speakers. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the DTS Virtual X technology and AI Sound Pro deliver rich, immersive audio that adapts to your content. Plus, the wireless subwoofer ensures deep, booming bass without cluttering your space with cables. Collision, should you buy it? If you want a powerful, feature-packed soundbar that delivers cinematic surround sound, the LG SP7R 7.1 channel soundbar is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and audiophiles who want high-resolution sound with a deep, immersive experience. Right pointing finger, check the link below for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.